Hello friends, welcome to our channel Stocks Vector. Hope you are doing well. Friends, in this small video, we are not going to discuss any strategy that we'll be discussing in the coming videos, but we want to take a pause and we want to highlight a very important point to our viewers and our subscribers that we have been saying since day one when we launched our website. As you can see here, that trade less, trade best is the strategy to make success in the market in the long term. So friends, this is what we have been saying, and very recently, as you all know, Mr. Nitin Kamath, the CEO and founder of Zerodha, he also mentioned the same thing in one of his Twitter posts. As you can see here, trading actively is the toughest way to make easy money in life, unlike what most people think. Also, it can be quite stressful and stress can snowball. So to trade well, you have to trade less, both number of trades and capital. So friends, this is the very important point which again highlighted by one of the important personalities, especially the CEO of the brokerage company, who generally want people to trade more because they will get more profits. So this is a very genuine advice by the CEO of a brokerage company who himself is acknowledging the fact that trading more is not going you to make money. You have to trade less and you have to wait for the opportunity and you have to trade best. We'll share the link of this article in our description so that you can read by yourself also. So friends, the main purpose is not to trade every day, but to wait for the right opportunity and then make a trade. Also, nowadays intraday trading has become a very fascinating thing. But let me tell you friends, even if you are doing intraday trading, try to make less trades and look out for the best trades. As you all know that we have recently posted 3 strategies, and in all these strategies, we are trying to tell people that you need to identify the right stocks, wait for the opportunity. Please don't just trade just for the sake of trading, because you will end up generating profits for the brokerage companies, not for yourself. So friends, before you take the decision of making so many trades, just go to the websites of the brokerage companies and see how much brokerage you are paying and what are the charges you are paying per trade. You end up paying so much brokerage to the companies, right? So this is a very genuine advice again coming from the CEO of the brokerage company himself, that more trades are not going to give you more profits. So friends, with that note, I again want to highlight that every strategy is not meant for every person. Please select the strategy as per your nature, as per your capital, your risk appetite and your personality. What suits you according to your lifestyle, according to your job, whether you have that much time to take trades or not, and then select the strategy and then stick to that strategy. Don't change the strategy every day or every week. Please identify a strategy and then follow that strategy and stick to that strategy for some time, and definitely it is going to give you results, because you will start mastering the strategy once you spend time with that strategy, and you will be able to identify very good trades and high probability trades. So friends, with that note, stay tuned to our channel, because very soon we'll be coming up with more strategies. And please, again, we'll mention that please go through the strategies, but finally you have to select few strategies, 1 or 2 in the starting, and then you stick to those strategies and then take the trades. So friends, see you in another video. Take care and goodbye.